happening,
I'm going to
Julie?
have to get a Coke.
That's a bit of a wimp's way out, though. Why don't you get a Whisper? One of those might hit. What we doing?
No, I don't think it will.
What are we doing,
I'm trying
Julie?
to get these crisps. The Whisper won't hit it. I think we're going to have to get that Coke.
We're basically trying to win a free packet of crisps, aren't we? Come on. I think you should go for something more fun to start with. Try and get something to hit it.
53, the Aero.
Yeah, go for that. Let's see what happens. Go on. Right.
Oh,
no! You can go for something else. What's directly above? There's the Coke, the Aero, more crisps.
well, the Coke's going to be the only thing.
Or the caramel. Go for the Coke.
How much is it?
I don't know, 80p I think.
No, it's going to be more than that.
I can't see because the crisps are in the way. 90p, 90p.
Okay, what number is it?
63.
It's got another pound in. What number?
63.
Yes! How do you get checked?
Food out first. There we go. Free crisps. What do you think, Julie?
That's bloody fantastic.